Good morning from the village. I just woke up, guys. My hair looks so weird, so raggedy, but I love the way my skin looks like. Wow, is it the sun? Is it the sun? My skin looks so nice, but I'm in the village, guys, so I love it here. I love life in the village. If it were up to me, I could be living in the village. What's up, guys? So come with me to our little tiny garden. So right here we have some avocado. Can they see the avocados? Yeah, these avocados that mom normally sends me when they are ready. But we have avocado tree. There's so many avocados. Come for avocados, guys. Come for avocados. So we have avocados there, and then we have kuni, yen, martedo, iko hapo. And then this one is for the cow. Yeah. And then we have some papao ama pawpaw tree there. And then this is me. I love the home life. Like, if it were up to me, I could live in the up country. And then we have some, which tree is this?
Machungwa.
Orange, but it has not yet started like growing. And then we have a little, is it called a calf? Na Kijali inaitwa nini ndogo inaitwa Nyaroya. We have Nyaroya, our Nyaroya here that was born recently. Another pawpaw tree. And then this one is an avocado.
Maembe.
Mango, oh my god. This one is a mango tree, guys. See? I love the family. So this one, we expect some mangoes there in December maybe. And then these ones are the duck that we have. I mean, Ushago, let me speak in my mother tongue. These ones are the duck. And then we have me. This is the one that they milk. This is the other one. And then some chicken. You can't see them, but they're there. And then this is me. And that's our little garden tour. I'm so happy to be home. Guys, I'm looking for something to take tea with. Guys, I think I'll have this muogo. Like, my mom's fridge is so packed. Like, yo, just see, her fridge is so packed, guys. I think I'll have muogo for breakfast and some tea. This is our home environment, guys, and I just love it so much. Like, today is the next morning, so I just decided to take a walk. And guys, I'm so excited. Oh my god. So I'm so excited, and yeah, so let's start this vlog here. I just decided to take a walk. I'm waiting for my sister, but just see this environment, guys. I love this home environment. The nature is so cool and I love it so much. Just like I had told you guys, if I had a chance, I could stay at home all year round because of the environment. It's so cool. Love nature, love the greenery. It's so nice. And by the way, I stole this, not that I stole, I have borrowed this pajama set from my mom, and I thought it's so nice, guys. My mom is so stylish. The top has not been ironed, but whatever. But I love it so much. This is the set. Okay, when my sister gets here, I'll ask her to show you this set that I got from my mama. My mom is so stylish. I got it from her. That's on period. So yeah, can you just see, guys? Tell me if this is not a good reason for you guys to visit your home areas. Like, the environment is so chilled, so relaxing. Once in a while, visit the rural area and just relax your mind. Like, I feel so relaxed, guys. I feel so relaxed and I'm so happy. Just see that environment. Just see. Whoa. And then, guys, this is which day I got these lashes installed on, when was it, guys? I don't know, is it pregnancy brain or something? Why am I forgetting things? I'm saying pregnancy brain as if I'm pregnant, but I'm not actually. So let me show you. I just came here to the fish pond. Let me just show you how it looks. I love this environment. And also, don't I look cute, guys? I look so cute. I'm here with my sister. I'm not sure if she wants to say hi to you guys. No, but let me tell you guys a story. One thing about my family members, they don't love the cameras, unlike me. So if you don't get to see them in my videos, it's because they don't love the cameras like I do. So, and I always just respect that about them. I can't force them. So let me show you the fish pond, how it looks. So guys, this is the fish pond. This is how it looks. So this is the fish pond, guys, and it's so huge. So they harvested, but they have not harvested again. So this is how it looks. Like, tell me, guys, do you have a fish pond in your home? No, just tell me, do you have a fish pond in your home? There is my sister. So this is the first one, so let's go to the other one. So this is the other fish pond. So there are two. This is hii ni ndogo, si ndio? Ama zinatoshana? Zinatoshana. So this is the other one, and then the other one. So yeah, right now I don't think there is fish, but yeah, this is, now when you see me with fish, this is where it has come from. Gosh, so nice. So guys, right now I wish they were fishing so that I could show you, but right now, oh, I'm not fishing. So that's deep. I'm about to see deep.
Si maji imepungua sahi because hawajaweka samaki. Wamenini, si unaoni pipe hapa, hiyo ndo inlet ya maji, na sahi maji haingii because hakuna samaki. Sasa ndo maana iko hivyo. Wakiweka samaki wataongeza maji.
Hiyo maji wanatoa wapi?
Saa zingine inatolewa hapo kwa river. Ama kuna nini nyingine hapa juu iko na maji.
Peace sign. How will you know I'm a millennial? So guys, we're just down there, the fish pond, and now we're going to this other side. So I just wanted to show you this other side, and yeah, this will be like a morning in my life at home. I'm so happy. Can you guys tell that I'm excited and so happy? So yeah, let us go. So guys, come with me. Tell me if you don't love this environment. Like, this is the fish pond from the outside part now. And now we are going down there. Down, 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 down. We are going down. Huko kuna njia.
Unataka kuvuka?
Twende the other side.
The only way is to cross hiyo maji.
So guys, I want to cross here. Like this is now how will I name this video? Give me a name. Walk with me. Walk with me in my village. We are now in Kisii. Guys, I'm Kisii, guys. We are close. Now we are on River Nile. Guys, this is me just having some fun, just being silly, enjoying myself, enjoying nature, and yeah, that's what you're seeing. Mapera. I want some mapera. I'm going. Guys, mapera in English, it's called guava. They're so nice. The beauty of living at home. Yani, you just laugh. This is the neighbor for you. Sifikie huko.
I think so. Ndio yenye imeiva hapa kadogo. Ndo zile zingine pale mbili kubwa. But hizo uzazifikia hizi mbili.
Uko?
Kuja chune hii hapa kadogo.
Imeiva.
But sani venye haijaiva ile fully. So kama inako ni soft.
But hizi zoko juu zimeiva.
Si ndio? Nipande mti.
Unataka kupanda? So guys, here I was just catching up with Love is Blind UK. Have you guys watched this show? Let me know what you think about this show. But I've enjoyed it, but I've seen drama. No, it's not that dramatic, but these two, I don't think they are really compatible. First of all, why is Nicole so confused? Nicole is so confused. The moment she said yes to Sam, I was done with her. Guys, I'm watching your favorite YouTubers. I love Lydia Dinga's videos, so I'm watching that as I have my lunch. I'm having lunch outside, guys. It's so nice. So guys, this is actually the next day, and as you can see, it is my birthday date. It was on 20th of August. That's when I get to celebrate my birthday. So we just decided to go swim with my sisters. So this is what you're seeing right here. And I was so happy, I was so excited that I get to spend my birthday with my family, and that's what you are seeing right here. We had just arrived. I've just arrived. So yeah, that's what you're seeing. Actually, fun fact about me, I don't know how to swim, but I always just get in water and just have fun in water, even though I don't know how to swim. But I'm going to learn how to swim soon. I'll be a pro at swimming. Watch this space. So guys, I was just editing this vlog and I noticed I didn't have an outro, so this is future me doing an outro while editing. So yeah, I hope you've enjoyed that video of me in upcountry, and this hair has stood the test of time. I even removed it the way it was styled, but yeah, and I've even lost a nail. That's how you know you have been in the upcountry. So that's the end of this vlog. I hope you have enjoyed. Also, be sure to leave a comment. Let us interact down in the comment section and let me know if you enjoyed this video, and see you in my next one. Remember to like, comment, share, and most importantly, subscribe if you haven't already. Subscribing is free, guys. You're not charged. So long as you have your bundles, you can always subscribe, and subscribe is the red button written subscribe. So if that is still red on your phone and you're watching my video, it means you have not subscribed. So please go check it, and if you have not yet already subscribed, please subscribe so that you can support a girl. And yeah, see you in my next video. Ciao ciao. Sun kissed the village sun. Woo.